Hi guys, I'm Cebuano language teacher. I'm here to teach you Cebuano the easiest way possible. You'll learn to speak like a native in the shortest possible time. So like and subscribe. Thank you! Mayong buntag. So today we're going to study about Cebuano phonology and we're going to use this chart. So in the upper portion, you will see three letters, each representing a sound. And then on the lower part, you'll find a set of letters also, and they are representing another set of sounds. So the upper part is really what we call the vowel sounds. As you can see, there are only three vowels in Cebuano. First is A, and the second is E, and the third is U. Now, the A is just simply pronounced or spoken as A, like half, like that. So it's ako, example, ako, meaning I. The E sound is spoken as E. So it's not soft E, but the hard E. Example is sige. So whether it is spelled with an E, it will still be spoken as sige. And the last is the U sound, like the O in the English word do. So for example, it's adtu, meaning go. Let's go to the consonant sounds. In the upper part, there are 6 letters, each representing a sound. And on the lower part also, which has 9 letters, representing also 9 sounds. Let's try the critical ng sound. It's the same sound as the final sound of the word sing in English. This is pronounced by pronouncing or saying the word sing and prolonging the final ng sound. For example, sing. So the ng sound is the final sound of the word sing. So let's practice the initial and medial ng sound. Let's go to the initial sound. Ngano, ngipon, ngadto. And the medial sound, bangon, hangin, langit. Now, this set is called the unaspirated sounds. Unaspirated meaning no air comes out from the mouth. For example, tao, which means person or man. Dahon, which is leaf. Piso, which means peso. And kamut, which means hand. So remember, the T, D, P, K in Bisaya are not aspirated. So no air comes out from the mouth when you say these letters or say this sound. So like tao, no air comes out. Dahon, no air comes out. From the letter D, piso, no air comes out when you say the P sound, and kamot. So it's not the same pronunciation or not the same case in English. And the last is the trilled R, which is sounded like the Spanish rather. Spanish R. So let's practice the words motor, computer, radio, radar. Okay. So let's avoid making the pronunciation of R as her, like carne, in like carne, which is the way the Americans say the word or pronounce the R sound. So in Bisaya, it's R. You flap the tongue at the upper roof of your mouth. Okay. Let's practice. Let's do some pronunciation practices. Nga, ngi, ngu. Ta, ti, tu. Da, di, du. Pa, pi, pu. Ka, ki, ku. Ra, ri, ru. Okay, here are some examples of words that begin with consonant sounds. Ngano. Why? Tiki, lizard. Dili, no. Bayi, female. Piso, chick. Kaka, spider. Gabi, yam. Rusas, pink. Hari, king. Lima, five. Mama, mother. Naung, face. Sapa, stream. Walu, rather, eight. Yawi, key. Thank you so much. See you again, my friends. I hope you enjoy the lesson. In Bisaya, salamat kaayo. Kita na lang ta sunod, mga amiga ug amigo. Hinaut nag-enjoy mo sa leksyon. Ayo.